Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learningseo. In this video we are going to discuss what is SWOT analysis of a website. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses and opportunities and threats. These are the four factors used by organizations to evaluate their business and viability as an enterprise. In a similar way, these factors can be used to evaluate the current and future growth of a website. So, strengths and weaknesses are internal factors which are under the control of an organization. Opportunities and threats are the external factors which are beyond the control of an organization. After the SWOT analysis, you can find the strength and weakness of your websites as well as the opportunities and threats to your websites. The SWOT analysis starts with setting specific goals and objectives for your website. These objectives are the goals should be measurable and realistic. Increasing profit by 10% in the upcoming year, increasing CTR called click-through rate by 15%, decreasing shopping cart dropping cart by 5%, etc. After you identify your objectives and goals, you can start with the following steps of SWOT analysis. First one is strengths. It refers to the advantages that are not present in the sight of your competitors. These are competitive advantages that can help your websites gain a competitive edge over the similar sites. For example, relevant and unique content, user-friendly designs, and quick sign-up and checkout process, etc., can be strength of your website. Next one is weaknesses. It refers to the features of your website that slow down your progress or prevent you from achieving your objectives and goals. To identify your website's weaknesses, you can compare a feature for your website with the same feature of your competitor's website. If your competitor executes this feature better than you, then consider this feature as your weakness which you should be improved. And the third one is opportunities. It refers to the external element which can help you improve your website's performance and popularity. These elements are beyond your control and if exploited wisely can help you achieving your objectives and goals. Some of the common opportunities for the websites are new technology to improve visitors experience, Web 2.0 trend focus on social networking, internet on mobile phones and online transactions, innovating marketing strategies, etc. And the last one is threats. It refers to external factors that may prevent a site from achieving its objectives and goals. These factors are beyond your control, and if you ignore these threats, your website cannot make progress. Some of the common threats to a website include new entrants, websites, software piracy, unfavorable government regulations, changing customers' needs, competitor imitating your ideas and featuring fraudulent and activities. So this is all about what is the SWOT analysis of a website. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Learning SEO. Thanks for watching.